So let's study the differences between sulfate pulp and sulfite pulp. So the first point under sulfate pulp is, so the trade name of sulfate pulp is also known as kraft, and for sulfite pulp, so the trade name of sulfite pulp is also known as sulfite, magnified or neutral sulfate. Now let's move on to the second point. So for sulfite pulp, the fibrous raw material preferred are bamboo and hardwoods etc. And for sulfate pulp, so all types of fibrous raw material can be used for sulfate pulp. Now let's move on to the third point. So the third point is on the basis of the essential chemical reagents used in the digester. 60% NaOH, 60% NaOH, 25% Na2S, 25% Na2S, 15% Na2CO3, 15% Na2CO3 and 10 to 15% aqueous solution. These are present in 10 to 15% aqueous solution. And now for the sulfite process. For the sulfite process, the essential chemical reagents which are used in the digester depends on the process modifications. That is, if the process is a magnified process, if it is a magnified process, then what happens is Mg magnesium HSO3 whole 2 plus free sulfur dioxide in acid medium, free sulfur dioxide in acid medium. So this is the chemical reagents used in the digester for the magnified process, and B is for the neutral sulfite process, neutral sulfite. So for the neutral sulfite process, Na2SO3, Na2CO3 and NaHCO3, that is sodium bicarbonate. These are used as the essential chemical reagents. And the last one is the acid sulfite. For acid sulfite process, for the acid sulfite process, sodium bisulfite and Na2SO3. These are the essential chemical reagents used in the digester. So now the next point is on the basis of the type of digester. This is common for both. The type of digester for both can be either batch or continuous. This is common for both the processes, that is the sulfite pulp or the sulfate pulp. For both, the type of digester used can be either batch or continuous. Now let's move on to this was the fourth point. Now let's move on to the fifth point. So the fifth point will be on the basis of the digester conditions. So the time required for sulfate pulp will be, so 2 to 5 hours are required for wood based materials and 5 to 6 minutes for bagasse. Also, short time is required for paper pulp, longer time is required for lignin free chemical cellulosic pulp. Now for the sulfite pulp, the digester conditions will be, so for sulfite pulp the time required is 6 to 10 hours of wood and 20 to 40 minutes for bagasse. So next comes the temperature of the digester for sulfate. So for sulfate pulp, so the temperature for sulfate pulp is 170 to 180 degrees centigrade, and for sulfite pulp the temperature is 120 to 150 degrees centigrade. Remember, this temperature is the temperature of the digester. Next comes the pressure. So for sulfate pulp the pressure is 10 atmospheres, and for sulfite pulp the pressure is 4 to 6 atmospheres. Now let's move on to the next point. So the sixth point will be on the basis of the material of construction. For sulfate pulp, so we use mild steel or any alloy compatible with caustic liquor. Inconel required for tubes in external heat exchanger. This was for the sulfate pulp. Now for sulfite pulp, so the acid magnified process requires digester linings of acid proof brick metal components of type 316 stainless steel and bronze and lead. Now a fun interesting thing is the neutral sulfide process can use the same materials as the Kraft process. So let me write this down, the neutral. So the neutral sulfide process can use same materials as the Kraft process, that is these materials, that is mild steel and Inconel required for tubes in external heat exchanger. Now the Kraft process is the one that is used for sulfate pulp making. So now the seventh point will be for types of pulp. So by sulfate process, the type of pulp obtained is of brown color. It is difficult to remove unless it is bleached via ClO2. And for sulfite process, so the pulp obtained by sulfite process is dull white in color and it can be easily decolorized by any suitable bleaching agent. So it is easily bleached. So the last point, so the paper products made via sulfate pulp are strong brown bags and paperboard boxes, etc. And by sulfite pulp, so book paper, tissue paper are made via sulfite pulp, and these were the differences between sulfate pulp and sulfite pulp. Thank you.